You're looking at a fella that has endured compound fracture, multiple surgeries, systemic infection, almost died, has been shot at. But enough about me. This is little Rin Tin.
The adventures of the amazing Rin Tin-e.
Lots of energy, lots of love, and available. You're available. How do you feel about that? I know, it's this molestache. I'm gonna shave it off.
Oh my lord, you're just a peanut on wheels.
Alright.
This little dog is optimism personified. It's almost impossible to be unhappy when you're around him.
It's just the cutest little tiny bug. It's like he's part Chihuahua, part German Shepherd. He's a micro mini pocket German Shepherd with Chihuahua tendencies.